สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Houseboat Thai Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a spicy tuna salad. Lemon, lime, and shallot, celery, chili, fish sauce, and sugar. One fish can. In Thai kitchen, we don't really have a fixed measurement, so you add a little bit first. It's not the taste that you like. Then you can add more ingredient in there, more spicy, more sour, and more salty. So this would be perfect for 2 people. Yeah. Use the how do you call this one? Start with 2. About 2 teaspoons of sugar. Just try it with 1 lemon and onion, and then the chili. If you don't like it to be too spicy, then you should maybe start with 2 chili first. And then you mix it well together. Like every Thai spicy salad, you should first start with the dressing. You keep stirring until the sugar is melt. This so melt. Make sure that you melt the sugar. Then you taste it. So the taste should be sour, salty, and a bit sweet. Yeah. The fish can in there. Just stir it for a few times, and after that you add the celery. If you don't have this, you can use coriander instead. Then we're done. Yeah. I don't know why, but this is how we do it in Thailand.